Hi everyone and welcome. If you're new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button. Today we're going to do a quick review about the one of the viral product which has been launched recently, and that is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Tinted Serum. So this is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-hour Tinted Serum, and I have the shade 4 to 5 medium. So this product is viral for a long time, since the time it has been launched, and it is still viral actually. So this has a lot of claims. I have been using this for quite some time. I also did a short about the shade and how good it is. So today we're going to do a detailed review about it and see whether this is worth it and whether you can definitely try this product. So first, let's see about the product. So as I said, this is the tinted serum and it has a lot of claims. So first thing is 24 hours. So it gives you a 24 hours radiant and dewy finish is what it says. So this is actually a serum. So it's a tinted serum. So the serum which has a tint in it. So you can actually directly use it on your face as well. And next thing is it gives you a nice dewy finish and it is long wearing as well. And it's got 1% of pure hyaluronic acid. So, it keeps your skin really hydrated, and, it helps you to, fix the uneven skin tone as well. And it is sweat proof, transfer proof, heat proof, humidity resistant. So all these claims are there for this tinted serum. So today let's go ahead and try this. So the cost of this is actually $999, but you will definitely get offers in multiple sites during the sale. Especially if you buy, you'll really get it at a good discount. So you can check it in Nykaa, Myntra, anywhere, and whenever there is a sale, you can go ahead and purchase this. This is definitely worth it. Today, let's go ahead and try it and see the shade comparison, how good the finish is, and does it really suit a medium to dusky skin tone who has an oily skin. So let's get started. This is how the packaging is. It comes with a dropper, which is actually a little difficult because it becomes messy a lot of times. So this is how the packaging is. First, let me swatch the shade and show you how it is. So this is the shade. So this is a medium, 4 to 5 medium. So this might look, lighter, but when you blend in, it definitely settles in well, because I've seen multiple reviews. The next shade is actually a little bit, darker, because this one, it gives that nice radiant finish, which I like it. The dewy radiant, and you'll see how it is. So that's the shade. So as I said, this is a serum. So I have not applied anything on my face. I've just cleansed my face. I have not applied any moisturizer. So what we'll do is I'll apply it on one side of my face and we'll see what is the difference, how it looks. So I'm going to take a few drops of it. I'll just apply like this. So this dropper is actually a little difficult, as I said. There'll be a lot of mess. I'm going to use a brush to blend in. You can actually use your fingers as well, which we will try it on this side. So now I'll use a brush to blend in. Oh, it definitely blends in very, very quickly. It's very lightweight actually. You can see here as it's blending in, the shade is just getting along with my skin tone. It is so lightweight actually. It's very, very lightweight. This is one of my go-to product, in the last month. I use it regularly, for example, like I just want to get ready soon and go out for shopping or something. I'll just apply this and a compact and I'm done. So that's how this product I've been using is like really great, I would say. So it just blended in so quickly. That's the finish. You don't get coverage in this, that's for sure. It's not like, not even medium coverage, I would say. But it gives that a kind of a light coverage, and the finish is like, that dewy kind of a finish. So you can see here. So that's the difference. So you can see here, it's giving you a little bit of coverage, that natural looking coverage. And it's, it's like your second skin only. You can see the difference here. This and this. This shade match is also pretty good. I got a lot of messages stating that the shade was actually light for me when I uploaded the shots. But it is not. The shade is like really matching me well. That's how it is, as you can see. So it's also covering a bit of your imperfections as well. The finish is kind of a dewy finish. Though I'm an oily skin person, I like mattified finish, but this one is not that, that oily type of a finish. It's kind of that dewy, that radiant, that glowing type of a finish, which I really liked it. It's very lightweight, as I said. What we'll do is I'll apply it on this side and I'll use my fingers for it. It blends in well with the fingers as well. It's like applying your, any kind of your moisturizer or sunscreen. It's like that type of a consistency. You can use a makeup sponge as well to set it even better, because I think if you apply it in your fingers, the finish is not that great. It might look a little bit patchy here and there. I use the same amount, but you can see the difference here with fingers and with the brush. So that's how it looks when you blend it with your finger. Probably I think the brush takes in a little bit of product when you apply it with the brush, but with the fingers it's like utilizing the whole product. But I feel the finish is not it's not like that complete finish when you use your fingers. It's always good to finally set it up well with either a makeup sponge or a brush. So what I do is I'll just dab in well with this brush so it gets settled in. Actually, a very little product of this is more than sufficient for you to get that glow which you're looking for. But I feel the product is a little bit more on this side compared to this side. I'll just make it even so you can see how the final look is. So this is how it looks after blending in well. So what I feel is if you apply a little bit more product, I feel it's a little bit heavy, especially in this eyes area. I feel it's a little bit heavy. Very little product is more than sufficient. This side, when I applied it, I felt it really great. Actually, this is the first time I'm applying more product. In the last month when I was applying, I just applied a little bit just for that natural kind of a coverage. So if you're trying to build up with this product, I don't think it looked that great. You might feel a little bit heavy. A little product is more than sufficient to get that, that great natural looking feel. So this is how it looks. The shade match is still okay. But as I said, if you apply more product, it might look a little bit, lighter. That's what I've seen in most of the foundations. The lesser you use, the match with your skin will be great. So this is the finish you get. It's giving you a nice dewy finish. So if you're looking for a mattifying finish, you can go ahead and apply a compact or a loose powder and set it well. I usually do that because for me, I like mattifying finish. This one is still okay. You can just leave it as is. But as I said, little product, if you apply, you can just leave it as is, and daytime you can use a sunscreen and just go ahead with it. But if you are applying more product, you need to set it well with a nice compact, especially if you're an oily skin person. So now let me go ahead and set it on one side of my face. So I'm going to be using a translucent compact. So this is from Sheet Glam, which is like really great. It's got a loose powder as well, and it's got this compact. So I'm going to set it a little bit on this side of my face just to see what type of finish you get. But before that, let me show you the finish you get. A closer look. So this is how it is. So definitely if you have darker circles, pigmentation, it's better to use an orange corrector if in case you're using it for some occasion or something. So that's how it is. It's giving you that nice dewy and radiant finish, as they say. So I'm going to be using this compact a little bit just to get that mattifying look. Okay, so that's how it looks. So you can see the difference, that mattifying finish, that radiant and glowing, effect is still there even if you apply a compact. So you can see the difference. It's just giving you a nice mattifying finish. This is the same. It's giving that dewy finish. Now let's go ahead and check how much it transfers. So I've applied compact on this side and no compact. So we'll try on both the sides. So I'm taking a cotton pad for it. So first I'll do it on this side where I have not applied compact. Okay, so this is not transferring. There's very little bit of product, but it's definitely not transferring as such. I'll do it on this side. It doesn't transfer at all. So that is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Tinted Serum review. So just to summarize it, the shade I have is 4 to 5 medium. So when you apply a little bit of product, it looks great. If you apply a little bit more, it might look lighter, as you can see here. With more product, I feel it looks light on my skin. But with the less product, if you're looking for the natural, finish, this shade will be great if you're in my skin tone, 4 to 5 medium. And the product as such is really great, great for daily use. It's very lightweight. It keeps your skin really hydrated. It's got a lot of skincare ingredients. And as I said, I use this regularly since the time I've got it, and I really love the product. You should definitely give it a try if you are looking this type of a product, like a serum-based tinted serum. If you're looking for, this is definitely a great choice. And it doesn't transfer, sweat resistant. So nowadays it's not that hot, so we really can't say it is sweat resistant or anything, but it's great for daily use. I've used almost the whole day, and that dewiness, that radiant finish, that glow was remaining on my skin, which I really loved that part of it. It doesn't make your face look really dull, so that's one great thing about this product. And it is lightweight. You really don't feel that you've applied some heavy makeup on your face, but if you apply more, you might feel that heaviness. So it depends on the usage. So that is the review from my end about the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Tinted Serum. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please click on like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.